How to delete Zety account. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can delete your account here on Zety. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically you must log in into your account. There's no one specific button to delete your account. You just have to write them in the option of contact us. So you must click into your account in the top right corner. In the new menu, click on contact us. Probably you're gonna find like two different options if you want to call them or go in presence or just send them a message. So I'm going to send a message. I'm going to the contact form and you just have to type the subject, the email address, your name, and let them know how they can help you. Probably this is gonna be filled because you're in your account, okay? So you just have to write like account deletion request, and in the body of the email like, hi Zety team, I want to delete my account, please help me, thank you. Okay, just be really straightforward, and in that way you're going to be able to send the message and wait until they write it back. So in that case you're going to continue your process to delete your Zety account. Thanks for watching.